Small bowel obstruction. Introduction. The small bowel is where most nutrients are digested and absorbed into the body. Select true or false. Correct. The small bowel is the longest part of your digestive system. Mark is having sharp cramps in his abdomen, which is swollen and bloated. He has also been having trouble passing stool. Should Mark contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Cramps, stomach swelling, and constipation may be signs of a problem. Mark should contact his healthcare provider. Small bowel obstruction can be caused by a blockage in the intestine. Select true or false. Correct. Small bowel obstruction can be caused by something that physically blocks the bowel. It can also happen when the muscles of the small bowel do not work normally. Small bowel obstruction is almost always treated in a healthcare facility. Select true or false. Correct. Small bowel obstruction requires the attention of a healthcare provider. Your healthcare provider may recommend surgery to treat the obstruction. Thank you for using Explain.